I'm now on the main highway. Brilliant. And I'm just waiting in the shade for someone to pick me up. Someone please. But I'm just gonna sit here. I think this is the best place. There's no point carry on walking because all these cars, most of them will be going to Kuala Lumpur, I think. So surely someone's kind enough. Truck driver, hello. He waved at me. Hello. Anybody? Kuala Lumpur. I'm not gonna kill you, I promise. Our truck has stopped very far away. Very far away. So far, we're suspicious that I really don't think it's for me, but it's worth a shot. Like 500 meters far. Oh no! He stopped indicating. Oh no, hazards are on. I don't know. Oh, he's waving at me. He's waving at me. Brilliant. Woohoo! Oh, big truck. Oh, he's going. Wait, what? Oh, hello, bro.
Where you going?
Kuala Lumpur. Yeah? Thank you, bro. Kuala Lumpur. Woohoo! Very high up, yeah? Nice. Thank you.
One drink.
What's your name?
My name is Boy.
Boy.
Yes.
I'm Luke. Nice to meet you. You're going to KL?
I'm going to Penang.
To where? Penang?
Penang.
Penang?
Yeah.
Oh wow, very far. Very end of Malaysia. Yeah.
You can decide.
Yeah.
I'm Penang straight.
Okay, cool. Yeah, thank you so much. And your friend sleeping?
Huh?
Your
My
friend?
friend.
There's a guy in the back sleeping. He's we're gonna be driving like maybe 1 hour. Satu jam. And he's gonna be dropping me as close as he can, but he's not going to KL, Kuala Lumpur. So he's gonna drop me close, then I'll have to get another ride to the city centre. And yeah, we'll see how that goes.
A congestion on Liberia Utara Celadon and one on the E6 are causing a 28-minute delay. You're on the
We're going in the back of the truck. That's probably one of those things where I get locked in and then taken and kidnapped. Wow. You need help? Oh, okay. What is this? Petrol? This petrol. Okay. I have no clue. Maybe it is juice, I'm not too sure. Okay. What this? This drinking? Really? Or for petrol? I'm very confused.
No petrol. No.
You're drinking?
Look.
Brilliant. He's just got out suspicious. What is this? Alright. Okay. Okay, I'm so confused. Why is the truck empty and just filled with brown drink? Okay. That's quite suspicious. Oh, I see. It is drink. Drink. Cool. I'm excited to try. Okay, let's give this thing a go. Okay. It tastes like medicine. Like medicine. Yeah. Very good. Yeah, very good.
Energy.
Energy. I think that was just a pure energy drink. Energy. Okay, and now we're hitting the road. I think they need energy. They're like zombified, but we're going. We have made it to the, well, my destination. Thank you, bro. See you, bro. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh. shit, that's high.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, bro. Yeah. Oh.
Bye-bye.
Thank you so much. Yeah, very good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Makasih. Yeah.
Sama-sama.
Okay. Oh, he's going toilet. All right. I'll get my sign. I've changed it a bit. I've written KLCC on it because that's like the city center. Because I'm now in Kuala Lumpur. He's peeing. Okay. I've got to cross this highway first, which actually looks impossible. Okay, see you, bro. Bye-bye. He's just gone piss straight after dropping me off. Okay. I don't think I can cross that. I can't cross that.